Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I'm going to be doing another dirty dozen, going through our bedrooms and things that we forget to clean. And the first thing we're going to be working on is our blinds. I am very guilty about this. I do not clean it as often, so let's go ahead and start cleaning our blinds. I'm using orange gold to clean my shades. I have wooden shades, so if I didn't, I would just use soapy water. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline. I am a mother of 3 teenagers. I am a wife of a soldier, and on my spare time I do cleaning videos. I hope to motivate you guys, and if you do get some motivations, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family and friends. Leave a comment below and letting me know that you're new here, because I would love to get to know you guys, and I hope you enjoy my video. When I was cleaning this shade right here, I felt like I was doing all wrong and it took me forever. So I individually wiped down each side, and on this one I decided to open it up all the way and just use my 2 fingers to rub against the blinds, and it actually was a lot faster. I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. Here is my rag after I got done cleaning the shades. Number 11 is under our bed. Here we go, guys. I know on my Q&A I said I had some hairballs and maybe some dust balls and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and check out to see what I have underneath here. I have a few dog toys. I definitely had some hairballs and some dust balls too. So I'm going to show you guys right here behind my bed. I always like to move the bed off the carpet so I could get the carpet really nice and clean, but this bed is so heavy I'm not going to do it, and I'm just going to finish up wiping down the bed frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and make my bed. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. Slip into your dreams tonight. Number 10 is underneath the dressers. Ryder's dresser has a good gap where a lot of the dust likes to go underneath there, especially with Cable's hair. It tends to collect underneath some of our furniture, so I'm going to go ahead and clean underneath his. Number 9 is pillows. I'm gonna go ahead and clean Jean's first because she says she hasn't done hers in a while, and she likes to sleep on those animal pillows. She doesn't like regular pillows, so I'm gonna clean those first so they could dry, and then I'm gonna tackle mine and my husband's. Just watch me break in. Number 8 is closet doors. I'm here in Logan's room because my closet don't have a door and Jean doesn't either, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean Logan's door. And this one gets pretty dusty. Last time I had cleaned this is when me and Logan had did a deep clean in his room. I do have a video if you guys are interested in that. I'll try to link it above so that you guys can see it. And all I'm using is all-purpose spray and my cleaning rag. Number 7 is ceiling fans. I'm going to be using a pillowcase and all-purpose spray. I'm using the all-purpose spray to help keep down the dust because of my allergies. And I'm just going to wipe down the blades. All I'm going to do is put the blade in between the case and push it down so all the dust gets inside the pillowcase. I didn't show me wiping out all the blades, but I did. I just wanted to make sure that I stay modest in my videos as best as possible. And when I was doing this, I didn't realize that my stomach was showing, so I did not want to show my stomach to everybody in the world. But anyways, I'm just gonna go and finish wiping down the fan with my all-purpose spray and my rag. Number 6 is our mattresses, and I'm going to be using essential oils and baking soda mixture, and then I'm going to let it sit for a good 30 minutes to an hour before I vacuum it up. As that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and clean number 5, the inside the closet and the flooring. I had marked this as 2 separate ones, so this will be 4 and 5. I had lost my footage of me vacuuming out the closet floor. Now I'm going back to the mattress and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the mattress. Number 3 is toys and books. We don't have that many toys, but I'm going to go ahead and clean up Ryder's toy mess. I normally have him pick this up, but I just decided that he's having a rough day. I'm just going to help him out. Number 2 is inside our nightstands. Logan's needed to be cleaned, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up this. I had no clue why he has this wire cutter in here. I don't know, boys, I guess. Our last one is inside our dressers. I'm going to be clearing out all of our dressers. I'm just going to take everything out one drawer at a time. I'm going to vacuum it, and then I'm also going to use all-purpose spray to clean the inside. I normally do this task only once a year.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Dirty Dozen. things that we forget to clean in our bedrooms. If you did, please leave a comment below and tell me which one you guys haven't cleaned in a while. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will help me out so much, and hopefully one day I can get monetized to be able to help out my family. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.